Combining 511 cubic inches of brutal Chevrolet big block with a tough Tremec 5-speed and sinister black-on-black aesthetics, this buff 66 Chevelle draws big crowds and big compliments. The beneficiary of a high-quality restoration that shows exceptionally well, this awesome A-body has been lovingly coated in rich black 2-stage. A familiar Supersport grille centers a clean SS396 badge between modern headlights and a mirrored bumper. A classy Supersport hood flows to stainless trimmed glass under a choice Hurst top. A handsome Chevrolet branded profile shoots red pinstripes around traditional door handles, bowtie branded mirrors, and Supersport rocker guards. And a second mirrored bumper frames a color-keyed Supersport valance that's finished with fresh tail lamps. Combining modern aesthetic with timeless style, the tasteful interior is a perfect place to cruise the day away. Seating is provided by plush TMI thrones that are traced in red accents. Cut pile carpet centers a factory console between custom kick panels and a traditional Hurst shifter. A lightly modified dash founds autometer gauges next to classic auto heat and modern audio, and the driver spins a Billet Specialties steering wheel around a tilting column. Lovingly centered in this coupe's satin black engine bay, you'll find 511 cubic inches of street-stomping power and a modern Tremec 5-speed twist torque to a 10-bolt axle that's finished with posi-traction and 373 gears. Simply put, this menacing Chevelle is some of the coolest metal on the planet. As it sits, the car offers the best of both worlds, a solid cruiser, and a unique classic that sets itself apart from virtual acres of brightly colored pony cars and overwrought land yachts. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.